Hello, trading is closed on October 13th. As always, let's get a report card from my last calls. I was anticipating a huge gap at the open, making our job easier for today. As usual, when my wants don't come true, it's obvious from the open. So that didn't work. There was a mejt target of 1929.79. I said the risk of it failing was increased, and it certainly failed, and the same caveat goes for a new target from today of 1905.16. Just because targets fail now doesn't mean they won't ever print. There was a failed target from back in May of 1889.57. We came within one handle of it here. There was a good rally, but eventually the target was satisfied. We have lower targets in the high 1850s. They should print at some time, as should these. During the day, the system gave a sell signal early in the day. These red F's there tell us that it thinks this decline is not for keeps and targets 1905.16. As I said previously, I think the chances of it failing to print tomorrow, its preferred time frame, are substantially increased because we're in a strong impulsive move. Let's take a look at the longer term picture. What are the chances the whole drop is over? I think pretty slim. We have a pattern which gives us an initial price of 1830-ish as a target. We have a decline which has gone through this TDST line. We have 9 bars of setup, 4 bars of countdown. We should go to completion at 13 bars. That gives us a long way on the downside. Well, the long-term picture is bleak. What are the odds for a bounce tomorrow? Those odds aren't really too bad. We have a buy signal from Tom DeMark on the 15-minute chart. We have a wall into the close, which typically is followed by a gap up. We have a DeMark buy signal on the 30-minute chart as well. In effect, we have a buy signal on the 78-minute chart because we have 12 of the 13 required bars, and unless we have a gap up of over 25 points tomorrow's going to be 13, which could finish early. One of the hallmarks of waterfall declines like this is that buy signals, which are usually reliable, often don't work, and bear that in mind. I think the real money is going to be made on the short side. We have a higher target tomorrow. It might fail, but there is a good chance for a bounce in the short term. And that's today's call.